the associated extractor to extract it. UYECOVE. This is a extractor. So this is a left-hand cobalt extractor set. So this comes with the appropriate drills that you would drill the bolt out with, or your screw. You would drill the screw or the bolt head out with the appropriate bit, and then you use the associated extractor to extract it. And it's left-handed, meaning that when you use the extractor in reverse mode, it's actually digging into the part. So it'll help to extract the bolt more easily. To get stuck screws, stuck bolts out of engine blocks, out of, framing, out of different things. So this is a nice addition to my set, so I'm glad I got this. I just haven't used it yet.